When you're assessing whether you should repair or replace parts, such as bowl assemblies and impellers, here are some points to consider. First, the stuffing box, also known as the packing box, contains graphite rings that play a crucial role in sealing up the discharge head. It's essential to go out and check them periodically to ensure they're in optimal condition. If they are damaged, it's obviously best to replace them. Next, consider the performance of your turbine's impellers, especially if they have a semi-open design. These components are vital for efficient water movement. Regularly monitoring their performance ensures your system operates smoothly. Finally, don't forget to adjust the lateral. Proper adjustment ensures the turbine operates at its best efficiency point, maximizing the lifespan and performance. By staying on top of these recommendations, you'll keep your Franklin Electric vertical line shaft turbine running smoothly.